The electric company uses nuclear energy and coal. Not good. Did you know that solar is the future?
Well, duh. Everybody knows that.
So why is now the time to go solar with Walker Power? Because now the federal tax credit is 22%. In a year, it'll be zero, nada. The best thing about New Jersey is that it pays you, the solar owner, SREC or energy credit, about $185 with PSE&G energy. By the cutoff date, you could have gotten $225 per credit for 15 years. Then it dropped to 10 years. Now it's $92 per credit for 15 years. But soon you'll be lucky to even get a thank you. Spend your 7.5 years of electric company payments on solar and get 35 years of electricity, and your electric bill eliminated. And even better than that, we have a gift for you. A $500 holiday special for the next 3 people approved before the end of 2020. With the economy the way it is, we thought we could help make your holiday a little more special and a little less stressful. For more info, contact Paul, 908-377-1391, or email me at paulwalker@walkerpower.energy. When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. Don't forget to check out our monthly specials. walkerpower.energy/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee when financed. For more information, 908-377-1391 or Paul Walker at walkerpower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.
Please help support our channel by visiting us on Parler at Most Americans and follow Echo Upvote Comment or by snapping a pic of the QR code. Follow us on Instagram at Paul Walker Power, on Rumble Walker Power, and YouTube Walker Power. Please click like, hit subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much.